girls, so today I'm going to be showing you how I made this gorgeous designer inspired coffee table book. I've made so many of these type of books in the past, but this one is different from the last ones I've made and I just love it. It looks really expensive, but I used Dollar Tree stuff to make it. So I literally just used this Dollar Tree book and I took it apart and created this masterpiece that looks like something Louis Vuitton even made, but it doesn't exist. I created this all on my own and it's gorgeous, and I am going to create 2 more designer inspired coffee table books and I'm going to just show you how to make them. I'm actually going to make those ones on camera, but I am so obsessed with this dolls. It's so inexpensive and it's a really nice way to make your place, office, house, room look really, really rich. The stickers I actually got off of Etsy. I can link the seller down below. It's just that lots of sellers don't like to include the links, or they don't like to include pictures because they don't want to be taken down by Louis Vuitton or Chanel. So you're gonna have to message them, but I would include like different sellers who might be able to make it. But it's so gorgeous. I love it. It looks so expensive and I just love the gold and white, especially with my white roses. It's just gorgeous. You can see at the end how I put it together. So I actually have coffee in here today. Grab your tea and let's do this DIY video. Let's go, dolls. Let's go. I have a broken nail, by the way. Let's go.
Could be a dream, and I think down plans would come true, and I think down my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so fine. Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up and boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Oh, life could be a dream, and a ding dong. Plans would come true, and a ding dong. My whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, and a ding dong. Plans would come true, and a ding dong. My whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking this, which I got from Amazon. Is a vinyl, and I'll have the link down below. It's a vinyl, like very like glittery textured paper. It's not too glittery, it's got like a little kind of sheen to it. And we're basically I'm going to be wrapping the book. I've got broken nails, I know. I'm going to be wrapping the book with this paper, and basically this is what we're going to want the book to look like after I finish doing that. So I'm going to do that right now. And how I do it actually is, you could either use the paper that comes with the book, the cover of this book, or you can just do what I'm about to do right now, which is a harder way of doing it, but it's just basically open the book up like this and lay it flat and then trace it. But then what I always do is I add like, I eyeball like some extra inches, because what we're going to do with that is we're going to fold it into the book. So that's what I'm going to do right now. The stickers that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using these ones here, and I've already cut the shape I want out of it. This is just going to go on the book like this, and I'm also going to be using this one here, Louis Vuitton, to match the Louis Vuitton theme. Can you see it? Alright, so I'm going to actually do this first and then I'm going to do that part last. And this is the hardest part because these little things like to come up, the little circles. So you have to be really, really, really careful with this. But as I was saying, I do have someone who makes this on Etsy for me. You just have to be really, you just have to message her because, you know, you're not really meant to sell, you know, like designer inspired anything online because they're going to copyright or try and sue the seller. Sorry, this is not coming out. They're going to try and copyright the seller. I don't know if that's the right word, or sue. So that people are, this is really hard, dolls. People are really careful with selling that stuff. So you have to message her if you want to get these. You don't message me, message her. I'm going to put her link in the description box. I'm even scared to put her link, to be quite honest with you, because I don't want to get her store in trouble. But there's so many people, if you just send them a picture of these stickers, they might be able to make them for you. You just have to message them, as I said. So this is now coming off. And you have to be, as I said, really gentle or you're going to mess things up. So I'm going to keep doing that. I'm going to do this off camera. Okay, so now we peeled this off. This is the hard part. You have to really be careful because once it goes down, it's down. So like now, I guess this is okay. So of course the parts at the bottom are going to be cut off, but I think that's the beauty of it. And just kind of like firmly press this down until you feel comfortable that it's on there. Just press it down, and we're now going to peel this off. This is so like pleasing. It's so aesthetically pleasing peeling these off. Feels so good. This is the easiest part of this whole project. Well, sometimes it can be hard because if you peel it badly, you can mess up everything. And then we're done. So aesthetically pleasing, dolls. Oh my goodness, I love it. You see this? Starting to come along. Now I'm just going to like cut off or bend these little pieces so they just look more cleaner, because obviously we don't want them poking out like that. I'm just going to do that, and or just cut off any piece that's like not trying to stick on here, and we should be done. And now I'm going to attach this part, the Louis Vuitton. We are done. I was going to take like more stickers and put maybe like LV on the sides, and one here and one down here, but I thought it's just going to ruin it, and we have a lot going on here, that just having it understated with the logo like that just looks really good. So we're done with this book, and I'm going to now do the Chanel book, which is going to be this bigger one here. So I can't wait to show you all of this stuff when we're done, but it looks so gorgeous. So this one's going to go with the other one that you saw earlier in the corner. Okay, so for the Chanel, I'm just going to, this is going to be so random, but I'm deciding I'm going to use some of this. I've got this from Hobby Lobby some time ago, and I thought I was just going to have like the edges, just, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I just wanted to make use of this tape because it's silver, and these are just like leftover stickers I have. So I'm gonna, this won't fit on here, so it'll probably fit down, yes, perfectly down here. And then I'm just going to take this glittery one and have it on the actual book, and have the name, the word Chanel like in the middle, and then probably use this, we'll see. So I'm going to just work on it now and see what I come up with. changed the design and I took off those big pieces. I just want to keep it very simple and elegant. And now I'm going to just add some rhinestones, just to like make it really, really pretty. Chanel book came out. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is the front. Stunning. I love it. It's stunning, dolls. Okay, now I'm going to show you the other books. Here's how the Louis Vuitton came out. So simple, but yet so gorgeous. I love it. And then the other Louis Vuitton, which is over there, the other Louis Vuitton came out. Just so gorgeous. I love them stacked together, like the two Louis Vuitton stacked together just is so beautiful. Like they look like they're from the Louis Vuitton shop. And then the Chanel, I know it's silver and gold can clash sometimes, but in this project I think it really looks really chic, all of them together. I love the metallic looks. So stunning. Love it, dolls. I'm just obsessed. Stunning. This is going to be the picture of this video. I can just tell. I just need to arrange the flowers in the background. Oh my god, the mirror goes so well. And the candle. Oh my goodness. Look at that, dolls. Imagine this on your coffee table. How gorgeous is this? It's stunning. Like, I cannot stop staring at it, and I cannot stop saying stunning. Oh my goodness. This is going to be the picture of the video. It's beautiful. This is probably one of my favourites I've ever made, ever. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. I am living for the aesthetics. I love these books. They're just so easy to make, but yet they look so expensive. You would never, like, you'd think I got these custom made at the Chanel or Louis Vuitton shop. They just look so gorgeous, and they make such a nice conversation piece when someone enters your room, apartment, anywhere, like wherever you have these, office, you know, anywhere you want to keep them. They make such a great conversation piece. I love them so much. I cannot stop staring at them. They're my favourite. I've made so many of these type of books, but this one by far looks like it's my favourite. It's just such a mood created. Love it with the white flowers in the background. It's just such an aesthetic. Love it. So yeah, as usual, give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. If you want me to do more gorgeous DIYs like this one here, let me know in the comment section down below what you would like to see me try next. I am loving this so much. I'm loving the mood. I want to get cozy now with the candles. I love this candle. It just aesthetically pleasingly matches everything I have going on right now. The gold, I love it, and the white. But yes, thank you so much for watching, dolls, and I will see you, because I can't use my pointy finger because it's broken, my nail. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you, dolls. Bye.
Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, boom, ba do, ding dong, ding dong, boom, ba do, oh, life, ding dong. If I could take you up in boom, 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 shaboom, boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, ding dong, plans would come true. Ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so far.